You might be wondering where I am right now, because I'm on YouTube a lot. You know, I'm a prolific guy. I make songs all the time, I stream all the time. But I'm out here making money. It's Halloween time. Spooky time. I got my Grogu on, so it's kind of like I'm that bounty hunter from the Star Wars. So I know I got what it takes because I got the right attitude. It's early in the morning. I have a can-do attitude. I have my gloves. I got the hiccups. Gotta get rid of those. You know how to get rid of hiccups? You breathe in. You drink in some Gatorade like this. You breathe it right in. You go. And it's gone.